5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Source, broadcast media. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Catherine, Grandwood Park, Zion, Lake Villa, Old Mill Creek, Fox Lake Hills, Fox Lake, Winthrop Harbor, Round Lake Beach, Haynesville, Grays Lake, Gurnee, Channel Lake, Round Lake Heights, Antioch, Beach Park, Venetian Village, Russell, Wadsworth, Volo, Round Lake, Lindenhurst, Long Lake, Third Lake, and Gages Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KWO 39.